Hello guys, today in this video, we are going to help you to find out the best budget drill press in market. I made this list based on my personal opinion, and I tried to list them based on their quality, durability, customer review, and more. If you want to see their price and find out more information about them, you can check our links in the description below. WEN 4208 Drill Press. This drill press from WEN offers one of the best combinations of utility and efficiency you will find in the market. Coming with a couple of high-quality features, it facilitates creating accurately positioned holes to ensure that your projects are completed with utmost efficacy. Besides, the reasonable price tag has made it popular among many DIY lovers. To begin with, this unit consists of a keyed chuck capable of drilling holes of inch size, making it suitable for a range of projects. A key storage chamber is also attached to ensure that the keys are always within close reach. What's more, its spindle can travel up to 2 inches and comes with knobs for depth adjustment to enable more accurate and multiple drilling operations. The measurements marked for the adjustment are easy to read, and the work table can be beveled 45 degrees to the left and right to create precisely angled holes on any side. Jet JWDP-12 Drill Press. The Jet JWDP-12 is built to tackle large projects quite comfortably and hence highly suitable for professional contractors. However, DIY enthusiasts engaged in larger tasks and in need of professional-grade accuracy can also go for this unit. Notably, it comes in dimensions of 29 multiplied by 19 x 12.2 inches and weighs 85 pounds. First of all, this unit uses an X-shaped laser in the drilling process, which helps achieve accurate results each time. Its 5-amp HP motor can easily penetrate a wide variety of materials. Plus, the variable speed control range of 530 to 3,100 RPM that drives the motor is commendable since it provides considerable flexibility. This also helps you finish all drilling tasks quite swiftly. What's more, it comes with a spindle travel of 3 inches to facilitate much greater depth cutting whenever needed. ShopFox 13-inch benchtop drill press. ShopFox knows that most hobbyists need their workshops to be as versatile as possible. The brand's 13-inch benchtop drill press / spindle sander is designed for both drilling and sanding, which is why this 3/4 horsepower drill press turns the spindle at speeds between 250 and 3050 RPM. The 13-inch swing allows easy manipulation of large workpieces without issue, especially when sanding. The table tilts either side up to 90 degrees, making drilling in grain on woodworking projects a snap. It includes the drum kit with 1/1E and 2-inch drums and sandpaper. When used in sanding mode, the drum oscillates up and down. The unconventional round work table features a circular cutout for the sanding drum, perfect for fine, detailed sanding jobs. I found a lot to like about the ShopFox drill press during the test. First, the wide speed range and high-quality work table made drilling easy and accurate. ShopFox W1848. Next in line is this advanced model from ShopFox, which is useful for both drilling and sanding operations. Notably, sanding helps in removing sawdust and other materials that may be stuck on the surface of drilled holes to make them smooth. Several unique functionalities have been incorporated into the model so that users can derive a steady and efficient performance. First things first, the oscillating spindle is what makes this unit a dual-purpose tool, as it helps in proper contour sanding, besides holding the chuck in position for efficient drilling. This helps you obtain a smooth finish after the drilling process is complete, and also reduces the heat buildup during use. Moving forward, we loved its variable speed motor of HP, which offers as many as 12 speed settings, whereby you can adjust the speed between 250 to 3050 RPM. As such, users get great flexibility during work and can carry out different drilling and sanding projects. Dremel 2 20-1 Workstation Drill Press. For hobbyists and folks who work on literally small projects, Dremel's drill press rotary tool workstation can turn their standard rotary tool into a mini drill press. This workstation offers 2 inches of travel and features a telescoping pole for attaching the onboard bit and tool holder and other attachments. The rotary tool simply attaches to the workstation with a plastic nut. When I tested this workstation, I quickly realized that it isn't for everyone. First, the power and drilling capability falls on the attached Dremel, so speed and control will vary from case to case. But I liked that this model had 2 inches of smooth travel, though the handle did bottom out on the 2 multiplied by 4 I was drilling, which was only 1 inches thick. When I attempted to drill through steel, the Dremel bogged down immediately, which will probably be typical for most models. Weaver Benchtop Drill Press. The Weaver drill press combines strength and precision in a user-friendly design. Powered by a strong 5A induction motor, it drills through various materials like metal and wood effortlessly. Its precision is highlighted by the ability to create accurate holes consistently, thanks to its stable performance and reliable locking mechanism. The drill press features variable speed control, ranging from 580 to 3,200 RPM, allowing users to adjust the drilling speed as needed for different projects. An LED digital display makes it easy to monitor and set the exact speed, ensuring optimal control. Durability is a key aspect of this machine, with a cooling system that efficiently manages heat, allowing for longer operation times and extending the lifespan of the drill press. The worktable's ability to tilt from 0 to 45 degrees adds to the machine's flexibility, making it possible to perform angled drilling operations with precision. Skill Drill Press. The Skill DP 950500 Benchtop Drill Press showcases Skill's focus on delivering both affordable and precise drilling capabilities. With a powerful 6.2 amp motor, it easily drills through materials such as wood, metal, and more. The drill press offers a 5-speed setting that ranges from 610 to 2,800 RPM, enabling you to adjust the drilling speed to suit different types of materials for the best results. For enhanced accuracy, it comes equipped with a laser alignment system that ensures every drill is accurately placed. The drill depth can be consistently controlled thanks to an adjustable depth stop. The drill press also features a work table that can be adjusted in height and tilted up to 45 degrees in both directions, allowing for versatile drilling angles. An LED work light is included to brighten the work area, which is especially helpful in dim conditions. For added safety, there's a bump-off switch that quickly powers down the tool if needed.